Namaste, welcome to my channel. Today I teaching you two-digit number. Okay?
Addition of two-digit number.
Yes. 60 means tens. This is 0 means ones. Okay? 0 means 1. What? Okay? 0 means ones. Okay? 0 is ones. Okay? Then plus. Okay? Like this is like addition only.
Yes.
Like two digits. Okay? This is the addition of two digits.
Okay.
Then write 81. Okay? Then 72. Okay? This is not 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Not comes 1 here, okay? Why? This not 30 or 10. And then I can write here 0. Okay? Why? It comes 3. Then I can write here 0. Okay? Write here 3. Okay?
Yes.
Then keep to this is 8 plus 7. Okay, what you do know? Yes? You don't know the 8 plus 7 answer. You need to keep the 8 in your mind. Okay?
Yes.
Keep in your mind. Then count the 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 14. Sorry, I am wrong. Then let's count again only. Then 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, the answer is 15. Means this is come on here and write. Why? Here this one place you can write or 13 or 14 or what? The means this one place comes in 30. Okay? Means this is one comes here and comes only 1 or 2 or 3 or 34. Like this you can write here 0. Okay? Then let's write other example.
Yes.
The answer is I tell it. Means 153.
Okay.
153. Why? This is 50 and 3. Means 1 comes in 100. Okay? These three numbers are 100. Means 1, 0, 0, 100. Like that, 1, 5, 3 means 153. Okay?
Yes.
Is it? And do again. You don't know, you can write again.
Yes.
You can, you do wrong and do again for your writing.
Yes.
Then I give the other examples. Okay? Tens, ones. Wait a little bit, I will take a one box. Okay? Plus. Okay?
Yes.
This stands 1 plus. Why? I writing one example, you need to tell it. Okay? This is 32. 81. Okay? Means the 2 and 1 is 3 again. The answer is 3. Okay? The answer is 3. Okay? Means no carry over here 1.
Yes.
You need to carry over here 0.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Then keep in your mind 8.
Yes.
And count the 3 numbers. Okay? 8, 9, 10, 11. Means come here 11. Okay?
Yes.
Means 130. Okay?
Yes. 13.
13.
Yes.
113.
Yes.
The answer is 113.
Yes.
Then I give you one more example.
Yes, please.
I give you one more example. Okay?
Yes, please.
I give you one more. Or two more I tell you.
Okay,
Two
please,
more.
please, please.
This is very fun. And you can do in home and classroom and what?
Yes.
You can do it.
Thank you.
Okay, this is the oh.
Yes.
This is going to write on 38 or 39 like this. Okay?
Yes.
Like this is like a addition.
Yes.
Like two number addition.
Yes.
To this addition. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm writing 30 means 3 1 3 1. I'm writing 31. This is 31.
Yes.
3 1. Okay?
Yes.
Then I'm writing 87.
99.
99. Only 99.
Hmm.
Okay?
Yes.
You know this. 9 plus 1 equals to 10.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
Equals to 10.
Yes.
Means you need to write here 0.
Yes.
And you need to write here 1. Okay?
Yes.
You understood now?
Yes. One is what is that one? Why you
Write 1 here.
Yes.
Why? And this is 1, 9, 99, 99 and 31.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
This 9 plus 1 equals to 10.
Yes.
Okay, I tell you.
Hmm.
One place will come 1, first 1, 1 0 or 1 3 like this. Okay?
Yes. Yes. Understood.
Then 1 1 0 I tell 1 0. Okay? So 0 is come here and 1 is come here. Okay?
Hmm. Yes.
You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
this is 4 plus 9.
Yes.
Why? This is 1 and 1 3 means 4 and 9. Okay? Keep in your mind 9. Okay? Then you need to count 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? The answer is 13. Okay?
Yes.
This is 130.
Yes.
Why? Like 100, 100. Like 130 means 130.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Then other example.
Yes.
Okay, then I'm writing other example.
Hmm.
Then you can write 3 or 4 numbers. Like this, I'm writing 3 numbers. Okay?
Yes.
I'm writing 23
Yes. Hmm.
and 91.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
Then 10.
Hmm.
Okay? 10.
Hmm.
Okay?
Yes.
You can understand now?
Yes. Yes.
You know count. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Means no carry over here.
Yes.
You need to write here 0 and here 4.
Yes.
Okay? Means 9, 2 means 9, 10, 11.
Hmm.
1 is comes to 12.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
You need to write here 12.
Yes. Very good.
The answer is you like 100. Like that 24 equals to 124.
Yes.
You can write all 3 numbers or 4 numbers like that. Like I write 3 numbers.
Yes.
Like 23, 91, 10.
Yes.
Like that you need to write 34 or 35 like this. 4 or 5 or 6 lines you can write. I tell you to win your exams.
Yes.
Okay? I'm winning of my exams. Okay? You need to learn. Please check this video and learn some 2 digits number. Okay, like, share, comment, bye.